Hey folks, we'll show you Imelda in just a second off to the northeast of us. Over the valley right now, we got a sea breeze trying to form in the eastern part of the valley. Kind of a late day sea breeze. These usually happen earlier in the afternoon, but if you're along the coast, you've now got a southeast wind kicking up, while the western valley, the wind's kind of variable. It's been calm much of the day. So, and there could be an isolated shower on that sea breeze. We've seen one lone thunder shower today right at the coast, right over Boca Chica Beach. There it goes. Pretty good stuff. And then right up toward the south end of South Padre Island. And that's just about it. For the most part, it has been a quiet day over deep South Texas. Clouds kind of sneaking through. Isolated shower popped up in Starr County, but that's about it. Of course, this became Tropical Storm Imelda right as it made landfall over Freeport, just to the southwest of Galveston earlier today, and it's continued to move inland over extreme southeast Texas, and that is where the rain is going to be. As we've talked a little bit about yesterday, if it gets a little better organized, we're less likely to see rain at all, and right now that's what it looks like. As it stays relatively well organized today. We're on the dry side, the west side, because of that northwesterly flow. Right now, officially 30 miles west of Galveston is the position of this. Winds are 40 miles per hour, moving to the north at only about 7. If you watch, by early morning tomorrow, it's still basically right over Houston, maybe the north side of Houston. So it takes the next 12 hours just to make that little trek, not moving very fast. Go a little bit farther. By tomorrow afternoon, it's still in East Texas. By Thursday morning, still in East Texas. Thursday afternoon, still in East Texas. Friday, finally into Northeast Texas. But look at the updated rainfall totals now projected by Future Track. This is through Thursday at 6 o'clock. 14 inches projected for downtown Houston, almost 10 inches for Freeport. You get up to Huntsville, a lot less. Out to Beaumont, about 7. Back to Austin, just a little bit. Go all the way into the weekend, and you can see it kind of peaks at 14.59. Whether that happens right in downtown Houston or somewhere near there, but models are saying 10 to 15 inches of rain in that storm as it pushes northward. So the wet side, the east side, we're back on the dry side, so that means it just gets hot here, and it's hot today and likely going to stay that way the next few days as that system slowly pulls away. Once we get to the end of the forecast period, then the sea breeze can trigger showers again. We get back to more of a normal weather pattern, but if you watch Future Track, there's just not much out there tonight or tomorrow. We just stay relatively quiet across the region. So our rain chances mainly dry, lower valley, and then dry again on Friday. Off the East Coast, there we have that. That's Hurricane Humberto racing off to the northeast. That's Bermuda. Should miss. All the models take it well to the east of there. Then let's go down to the south. Yet another system, depression number 10 we're watching. This formed today with 35-mile-per-hour winds. This we're paying close attention to for the folks that had to deal with Dorian. Hurricane Center says probably a Category 1 hurricane east of the southern Bahamas by the time we get to Sunday afternoon. There's Marsh Harbor up there in the Abacos. That's the place that took the direct hit from Dorian. So they're watching this very carefully, as you can imagine. For us for tonight, your first 45 AccuWeather forecast, partly cloudy and muggy, low of 78. Tomorrow we're back to 96 for the most part, a hot and humid day. Can't completely rule out an isolated shower near the coast, but most areas should stay rain-free. It's hot again on Thursday with a stray shower. Friday's partly sunny. By the time we get to the end of the forecast period, again, you get back into your stray sea breeze afternoon showers. Once again, the weather pattern returns to normal. But for the next couple of days, we're impacted by the circulation around Imelda in southeast Texas. That tends to be a dry circulation pattern for us. That's your updated First 15 AccuWeather forecast. We'll be back later for the break.